Hello there.
So on December 20th, Degiro decided to launch their new fee schedule. So let's have a look-see. The first major change is that you won't be subjected to any more commission when trading American or Canadian stock. A nice change, as you were previously charged 50 cents plus $0.04 per share. The second change is the introduction of a flat fee when trading on your stock exchange. For example, it will now cost you £1.75 for the UK, €2 for Ireland, and €0 for France. Flat fees have also been introduced if you want to trade on other Euro stock exchanges. It will cost you €3.90, but also for other stock exchange such as the Australian or Japanese at a flat fee of €5. The third change is the ongoing cost of using Degiro. They have introduced a fixed fee of 50 cents per order on the platform. This is to cover the fees they are subjected to by a third party to execute orders. However, this fee does not apply to the transaction-free ETF. The fourth change is the currency conversion charges, who have gone from 0.10% to 0.25%. The last two changes bring into question if those changes have actually reduced the cost of investing or not. Therefore, the introduction of tables and example comparing the old and new fee structure is very welcome. In addition, redisplaying and updating their cost comparison analyze with their competitor could prove beneficial to understand those changes on a multi-platform scale. Nonetheless, their transparency with their changes in fees and charges should not go unapplauded, as they have made those changes clear and the information regarding them of easy access on their website in the Fees tab. Hope this information was helpful, and please feel free to like and subscribe.